Look what I've got for you now. This awesome articulated Pocoyo, ready to 3D print and pose however you like. It's absolutely adorable. Let's carefully remove the supports. This is the moment to set Pocoyo free from his 3D printing cocoon. Nice and easy. Let's glue the little hands onto the arms. Just a bit of glue and done. We're also adding the arm anchor just like I show you in the video. It's key to keep the arm moving without falling off. Now let's put the eyes and mouth in place so he comes to life and gives us a big smile. With a little bit of glue and something to press gently, we'll secure these parts right where they belong. Perfect and sturdy. Time to put Pocoyo's hat on. Now he's got his classic adorable look all set. Now we'll glue the leg axis on just one side and let it dry properly. That way, it will move perfectly later. We're gluing the head anchor right where it goes, just like I'm showing you in the video. This way, it stays nice and secure for turning. While everything's drying, let's glue on the little yellow zipper detail. That final touch makes Pocoyo look amazing. It's time to assemble everything. First, let's put the legs on just like I'm showing you in the video. Now the arms. And finally, the head, ready to play. And look how amazing it turned out. Our articulated Pocoyo is all done, ready to move, play, and steal the spotlight. A one-of-a-kind model made with lots of love and creativity. Isn't it absolutely adorable? And that's it for today. Thanks for joining me to make this articulated Pocoyo. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other makers. See you in the next project.